Hey, welcome to my flip through of my Zentangle book. I do Zentangles as a meditation every morning, partially to get my day started with a nice cup of coffee, also to kind of center myself and plot out what I'm going to do for the day. Sometimes I do Zentangles while I listen to audiobooks. Let's see what I have so far. So the first thing that I did was I created this tree. And you can see I use different patterns for each of these roots. And what I did throughout the book, a suggestion of one of my teachers is to put like different quotes that are important to me in different words. This other page is just a tile kind of experiment so I could show different patterns that I liked. I really like the patterns I used for this hope. I think I want to use this flower pattern over here with the little dots. I like that a lot. It's one of my favorites. And then again here I'm trying to make like plates, and I put little screws on here with little white highlights on them. I like that. This is a class I did with it's called Meditation with Miriam, and I enjoyed that. The hard days are what make you stronger, for sure. But this is again just some more Zentangles and some what do they call these mandala Zentangles. I did this one with Zen Mandalas with Tracy at Halifax. As a crafting group I go to with Kristen. And I like this. You see I did the tile first, and then I just kept going and put patterns all the way around it, because these are addictive, and like I said, it's a time for me to meditate, so I start doing them, and I usually just don't stop until, well, I don't know what actually stops me. The coffee runs out, maybe. This one I really like. This is one of my favorite quotes. This is my favorite quote, and I do like the tile that I made underneath that. And I didn't survive, I prepared. Nelson Mandela. I like that. This is a very pretty page that I did. Another great quote, but I really love the colors that I used. Again, this is a Zen Mandala, and I like how this one turned out. Zendala, I think they call it. Zendala. So I tried this ribbon. Like I said, this has some lettering in it. I tried this ribboning, and it turned out pretty well. I used a pencil to get it done. This Zendala is very interesting to me. It looks like cells and things, like different types of cells in there. But I went all the way to the edge with that one. This is interesting because I am a Virgo, and it's like chaos and disorder. And you see even around there, it's like rays of different patterns and stuff. It's just like so chaotic. And this is how I feel all the time when I'm doing my crafting. It's kind of like, I love order, but the process of doing crafting and stuff is, to me, very chaotic. And so I kind of need that as well. And these are the last two tiles I did. I made these the other day. I think I recorded this one. So I should have a video. If I do, I'll link it for that. Just a time lapse of me doing it. And like I said, this is kind of my new practice that I do these. This is what I'm going to work on tomorrow, and I'll just try to record it and upload them. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please feel free to like and share. Until next time, remember, if we can do it, so can you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.